Hey YouTube family, welcome to Coding Quill. Today, we are continuing our C programming series journey with our third topic, concept of C program structure, and introduce the concept of tokens. So before diving into the ABC of C language, let's first learn how to write, compile and run our very first C program. So to start our journey in C programming, open your C console and let's write our very first program together. And yes, one more thing, on Monday 12th of February I'll upload the video that how to download code block ID for C programming, and you can use another ID as well, just like VS Code and many more. Till then, let's continue to our topic. So you can see this is our code block interface. We will complete all C programming code in this ID only. If you don't know what is ID, so it is basically a integrated development environment. So if we write our first C program, which is our one and only universal hello world, so we can write hashtag include stdio.h include void main open the braces printf else of hello world we can write welcome to coding quill yes. So now you can see it's all about 5 lines of code. Okay, now save this on any directory path of your computer system. Likewise, I'm saving this is on desktop only with a actually 1 second, create a folder. First I'm naming this folder as C programming. In this folder I will save this as 01.c. you can do this kind of thing also in your, so basically .c is your extension. Okay, extension of C programming. Now we can run, build and run. So you can see welcome to Coding Quill. Okay, so now let's move on to explanation part, that what does all these mean. So first one is your include, please bear with my writing. So first one is your include stdio.h. so this is your standard input output library function. This one is your standard input output library function. You see that we have print the welcome to coding quill command. So that printf function that which prints the welcome to coding quill command, printf function. So this printf function defined in this file only, stdio file. Okay, so this is your first one. Okay, now move on to second one, which is your include hashtag include conio.h. So this is basically, conio stands for console input output. This stands for console input output. Okay, and that getch function we defined, which is your, later we defined this getch function, and I'll show you what this getch function, how it works. So this getch function is defined in this conio file. Okay, this is your second one. Now move on to third one, which is your void main. Okay, so this is your entry point. Okay, this is your basically a entry point of every program you use. Else of void main you can only use main also. Okay, main also you can use in everyone. And void keyword, this is actually a keyword. Void keyword just specified that it cannot return any value, return no value. Okay, void doesn't return any of the value. So this is your third one. Now move on to fourth one, which is your printf function. So you see that in that terminal, welcome to coding Quill, printf actually works, which print the command welcome to coding Quill. So it's not a command, basically we enter a text what we want to see on the terminal as an output. So this is your welcome to coding Quill. This prints on the terminal. Okay, so the fifth and the last one is your getch function. So basically this function asks for a single character, till then it blocks the screen. You understand that when we doesn't press any key, it doesn't unblock the screen. Okay, so let's take a look on the code again, that how getch function works. Okay, so let's get to our screen. So you can see this is our getch function. Okay, now take a look, and now I'm running build and running this. So you can see welcome to coding Quill, it's only showing. Okay, when I press any key, I'm not closing this terminal from this side, I'm just pressing any key, just like I'm pressing T, and it just closed. Okay, it shows process return 1160 into 74, execution time 14 second 0.564 milliseconds. Okay, and then only press any key to continue, then this terminal will be closed. Now if I remove this getch function, and then I build and run this, you can see this process return 23 into 0.07, execution time 1 second, and this directly showing this command. Okay, and then it's showing press any key to continue. So this is the work of the getch command. Getch. One time more. Welcome to coding Quill. Okay, only this thing getch works. Now let's move on to C tokens. So in C programming, tokens are smallest building blocks which makes up the program. There are 6 types of tokens, which is your identifier, which refers to your names of variables, constants, functions, and arrays. So basically it is a user defined names. Just take an example like int my variable. So int is your integer and my variable is your identifier, which represent integer variable. And yes, one more thing, it is a case sensitive in C, like name in small cases and name in upper cases are two different identifiers. Now second one is your keywords. So keyword, which is your reserve words, it has a special meaning to it and it cannot be used as identifier. For example, int, char, float, if, else, while, and up to 32 keywords in C. You can see a list of keywords, 32 keywords here. And also you know about the data type also, which your basic data type, derived data type, enumerator data type, and void data type. So this is all your types, data types and control string. I'll put on this image here. Okay, you can write also or take a screenshot. It's all up to you. Now move on to third one, which is our constants. So it is basically a fixed value which do not change during a program execution. When we execute a program, it doesn't change. A constant value which we provided, constant values, it doesn't change. So basically it has two types of constants. First one is your integer constants, which contains 1, 2, 3 or -4, -5, that kind of integer values. And another one is your floating point constant, which contains values like 3.14, -1.4, -1.8, that kind of integers. Now move on to fourth one, which is our strings. So basically it is a sequence of characters which enclosed in a double quotes, which is used to represent text data in a program. Okay, now move on to fifth one, which is our special symbols. Special symbols is just punctuation marks and other special characters we used, such as commas, semicolons, parentheses, braces, and square brackets. Okay, now move on to sixth and final one, which is our operator. So basically it is your symbol, but used to perform operation on operands, just like 5 plus 5. Take example 5 plus 5. So plus is your operator and 5 plus 5, which is your operand. So it perform an operation like 5 plus 5 is 10. So basically it uses a arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, and assignment operator. Okay, so thanks everyone. If you found this video helpful, then please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Till then, see you on Tuesday 13th of February with a new topic.